So we got this thing on the mail. It says, prepare yourself for an emergency. It is in Dutch. It is a book with all the things that we need to do in case of an emergency. So here it gives you a sort of form where you can put some important information that you might need to access when you find yourself in a situation where there is no, for instance, energy, electricity, or you don't have internet and you don't have access to your phone because the battery died and you need to reach out to someone. So at least on that folder, you will write down some important information like local posts where you can actually go to for more information or assistance. It's very interesting. At the same time, it's a little bit kind of worrying because I've lived in this country for many years, and this is, as far as I can remember, this is the very first time I received something like that. So I think we all know the reason why we are actually having to be prepared for anything that might happen, because we're in Europe, and if you follow the news, you know that there's a lot of things going on. We're not going to get into detail. But so, yeah, for the very first time, I see myself kind of getting, a sort of emergency kit ready at home. And even though a very good friend of mine who happens to be a nurse, he's always said that this is something that we should always have. But I never actually really paid attention until now. So this seems to be very, very official. And it kind of, I wouldn't say it scares me, but, it's almost like it shakes me up to, like, wakes me up to, a possibility. But anyway, so what I did, of course, there are a couple of very important things that you need to do. And one of the first things is that you need to have a torch, like a lantern, in case you don't have electricity. You should have some candles in the house. You should also have a wave radio, in case you cannot access any digital means of communication. So the very first thing I actually decided to order was this radio / lantern. I got it from Amazon. Sorry for the noise. And I don't know, this has a lot of very good reviews, and I thought that, okay, this might be my very first item in the emergency kit. This is a multifunctional rechargeable emergency radio. Accompany you during outdoor activities. Okay, this was probably made for someone, going on a hike and going away from civilization. And in case you find yourself in an emergency situation, you will have, some means of, I wouldn't say communication, but at least to follow the news, to see what's going on, and if you have lights. I don't know how this actually really works because I've never used anything like this. So let's open it and see what's inside. It is a little tricky. Oh, okay. As always, I'm destroying everything. Okay. Okay, so in the box we have a cable, USB-A to USB-C, which is kind of ironic because if you have, I don't know, actually, I think I know what that is. Apparently, this radio, it's so cute, look at that. It's very small, and it has lots of different colors, and I don't know what this, there's a little wheel here that I think I feel so stupid because for me this is so new. Look, here you have the lantern. I mean, the first thing I can say, it looks really cute, terribly cute, very light. There's an antenna, so it's actually a radio. It does work with some batteries. So I think this is AAA. Wait a minute, is this the AAA battery? Yes, this is the AAA battery, so you can actually use here to turn it on. Apparently, it also has a sort of solar system that would actually charge the device in case you run out of batteries, of course. And sun is the one thing that we have that hopefully will never end. So here you have the solar panel that is supposed to actually charge the battery, and once this is actually charged, you can use the USB-C. Yes, let me check. Here, you can actually use the yes, here. You see, on the side, besides this connector buttons here, you have a USB-A and the USB-C connector, so you can actually charge your phone. So let's suppose that your phone dies, there is no electricity, and the only power source you have is this one that you are fortunately charging via the solar panel. So you have this full charged, so you can actually charge your phone using this. This is really handy. I'm not sure when I am going to have to use this. Hopefully never. But I think, on the other hand, I don't think I can actually just store this and never use it, because I don't know, it might stop working. So I guess I'm gonna have to start using it and see how it goes. I don't know what this is, but oh, okay, look, if I turn this on, oh, look at that. When I turn this little wheel here, there is this little light. You will see it lighting. Let me see if you can see it. Let's see. There you go. That means I am actually charging it. I don't really know how this works, but apparently by turning it a lot, you will actually charge the device, and then you will actually turn it on. And here there is a torch. Let me see if the torch is working. I don't think there's, yeah, okay. Oh, yes. You see, there is already some charge in here, because the torch is actually, flashlight is actually working. So, yeah, this is really interesting. I am going to, to do a little bit of testing, but, I don't know. I think this actually could be very handy in any situation, not necessarily an emergency, but I mean, if you happen to go camping, I mean, I don't do that. I've done that in the past, and honestly, it's not something I enjoyed. But I mean, if you like to go camping, it's always handy to have something like this, because you could be very far away from your house, from the city and the mountains, and you are camping completely isolated from civilization. And then, I don't know, something happens that you need to be informed. And let's suppose that your phone died, so you cannot actually listen to any digital radio. Having something like this with you could actually be very handy and, and help you. And there is also a, I don't know how to call this I forgot the name of this thing here. Is it a compass? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's a compass. So you have it here. It shows the north, south, west, and east. So if you are lost, you can actually, get some direction. Supposing you know how to read this. As I am making this video, I am feeling so stupid right now, because there are so many things that, some generations don't actually understand how it works. Not that I am that young, but still, those are the kind of things that if you never use, you don't know any better. So I think maybe this is the moment, the right moment for me to start getting acquainted to something like this. It's almost like a young kid trying to get acquainted with a, I don't know, with a wired phone or something. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, so this was the unboxing of this solar crank. That's what it calls. It's 5-way powered, so you can actually power it in 5 different ways. One through battery, solar panel, this little thing here that you have to twist. How else? I think you can actually connect it to the electricity when you do have. And the other form of powering, I don't know. But anyway, it is a radio, a wave radio, that you have some different bands. You have a weather band that will actually inform you about, changes in the weather. You have a torch, a flashlight. You have a solar panel in order to, use the natural energy from the sun to charge the equipment. And you can use the equipment to charge your digital equipments like a phone, for example, a cell phone. Yeah, so this is really interesting. Apart from also being kind of cute, looks like a little purse, look at that. And you can actually throw this in your bag. It's not going to take any space at all. But anyway, so if you are interested, in the box, we still also have this carabiner here. So something that you might need to use, I don't know, to hang it. And then you also have a manual. I guess I'll be spending some time reading this short manual, but I don't know. I think this is really something interesting. So this is the first kit, the first actually item on my emergency kit that I got for my emergency situation, which I hope will never come to be. But anyway, we got to be ready, before it's too late. So this was a very interesting video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions maybe about this, just drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And by the way, I got this on Amazon. It wasn't very expensive, was very accessible. So I think anyone who actually needs something like this will be able to afford it. So again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye!